अरे वाह, beauty with brains. You have such pretty features. Why don't you lose some weight? You know, you're so cool. Not like other girls. I'm not really into bunny teeth, but तुम्हारे दांत बड़े cute है. What? A lot of us want to take any compliment which comes our way. But no matter how appealing it may sound, we've got to unlearn taking these low-key sexist remarks as compliments. Stop considering these as compliments. First is beauty with brains. ये सुनने में ऐसा लगता है कि कोई तुम्हें दो एस्पेक्ट्स पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहा है कि तुम सुंदर भी हो और तुम में दिमाग भी है, बट इसका अंडरलाइंग इम्प्लीकेशन ये है कि एक सुंदर लड़की इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हो सकती और एक इंटेलिजेंट लड़की सुंदर नहीं हो सकती. नेक्स्ट अप इज you're not like other girls. This is something you'll hear from a lot of guys who think that you are bro enough or cool enough to hang out with them without being too uptight like the other girls. ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट से तुम्हें surely cool feel होगा, but don't fall into that trap. Because तुम्हें ये बोल के कि you are not like other girls, लड़के are not thankful for you, but for finding someone who suits their exact requirements from a woman without them having to compromise on their manliness. If you fall into this trap, then chances are कि तुम काफी tight bound रह जाओगे इस trope के and cannot budge from it if you want to remain desirable to your guys. Do you really want that burden? Next up is कितनी सुंदर हो यार, थोड़ा weight कम कर लो. Well, in reality वो सिर्फ ये question करना चाह रहे हैं कि why are you fat? Don't be, because pretty girls are not fat. Drive well for girls, वरना बाकी लड़कियां तो. लड़की होना और ड्राइविंग स्किल्स का क्या कनेक्शन है? कोई भी जेंडर के लोग अच्छे या बुरे ड्राइवर्स हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट अप इज यू आर वेरी प्रिटी फॉर अ डार्क स्किन गर्ल. तुम सीधा सीधा ही बोल दो ना कि यू आर सो ब्यूटीफुल. स्किन कलर को बीच में लाने की क्या जरूरत है? Oh, yeah, because beauty standards say that dark people cannot be beautiful. And that this person is beautiful despite being dark. Number 6. तुम तो पीरियड पेन कितने अच्छे से हैंडल कर लेती हो. You're so brave. Well, your body is not a battleground for you to prove your worth as a woman. And periods में cramps की वजह से रोना या sad होना does not make you weak. Bottom line, no one should have to hide their period pain or put on a brave face when it's paining a lot. Number 7 is something which parents say. हमने तो अपनी बेटियों को बेटे जैसे बड़ा किया. Well, when families say this, they mean कि उन्होंने अपनी बेटी और बेटे को equal resources दिए हैं, equally पढ़ाया है, लिखाया है, उन्हें equal freedom दिया है. But when you say कि हमने अपनी बेटी को बेटे जैसे बड़ा किया है, it immediately undoes all the progress. Well, let's make it clear. Even as daughters, we deserve every freedom or right the sons are getting. Number 8, for a girl तुम अपना अल्कोहल अच्छे से हैंडल कर लेती हो. Well, ये भी एक sexist remark है. Well, if a girl is able to handle her alcohol, she is handling it like a girl. 9th is telling a girl that wow, you like sports. It is important to understand that you can't gender activities based on stereotypes. Technology, sports is not something only men are fond of. Number 10th is you are naturally beautiful. तुम्हें तो मेकअप की जरूरत नहीं है. Well, मेकअप लगाना ना लगाना एक चॉइस है. किसी को ये बोलना कि वो naturally beautiful है और उन्हें मेकअप की जरूरत नहीं है is separating you from all those women who like wearing makeup. So now let's discuss how to actually compliment. किसी को अपने compliment से creep out या डराओ मत. अगर किसी नए person से मिल रहे हो and you're still building a rapport with them, then it's best to remain in the lane and not overdo it. For example, तुम किसी stranger के DM में जाके उनको कोई message कर रहे हो, तो don't give them advice on their fashion, their makeup. एक compliment तभी होता है जब वो genuinely appreciate करता है दूसरे person को. If a compliment measures a person through comparison or their gender or stereotypes, then it's not really appreciating them. You're funny for a girl. क्यों? Why can't you just say you're funny? You're pretty for a fat chick. Why can't you just say you're pretty? It is easy for people to figure out what kind of energy the other person is giving off, and especially for girls. Why? We are subjected to so much harassment that our intuition is now hyper aware about when a person is being genuine and when they're not. So if you're trying to be sleazy under the cover of giving a compliment, don't do that. We'll know. Another important thing, if you want to give someone a compliment, then सोचो कि उन्होंने कभी तुम्हें inspire किया है, try complimenting beyond looks, beauty, and other material things. Go for something deeper and more meaningful. Give a compliment which makes the person believe in themselves, something that will stay with them in their weakest of moments, uplift them. Because we sometimes do have more impact on people than we think we do. So go out there and compliment people, but in the right way.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.